In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Quick Find in Notion to quickly locate pages, databases, and content across your workspace. Let's get started. Open Notion and look at the left sidebar. Click the search option with the magnifying glass icon or press Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on Mac to open Quick Find instantly. Start typing the name of a page, database, or any keyword you're looking for. As you type, Notion will automatically display matching results from across your workspace. If you have a lot of results, use the available filters to narrow your search. You can search only page titles, filter by a specific workspace or team space, or search based on who created the page or when it was last edited. Click any result to open it immediately. If you use Quick Find regularly, Notion also prioritizes recently viewed and frequently accessed pages, making it even faster to get where you need to go. Quick Find is one of the fastest ways to navigate large Notion workspaces and locate information without browsing through your sidebar. That's how to search in Notion with Quick Find. Thanks for watching.